Welcome to our channel. If you want to earn passive income from cryptocurrency, follow these step-by-step instructions to generate returns from your digital assets automatically. Step 1. Assess your risk tolerance and investment timeline to determine which passive income strategies align with your financial goals and comfort level. Step 2. Start with staking by locking up proof-of-stake cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Cardano, or Polkadot to earn rewards for helping secure the network. Step 3. Lend your crypto through centralized platforms like BlockFi or Nexo, or decentralized protocols like Aave and Compound to earn interest from borrowers. Step 4. Provide liquidity to decentralized exchanges like Uniswap or PancakeSwap by depositing token pairs into liquidity pools and earning trading fees. Step 5. Participate in yield farming by moving your assets between different DeFi protocols to maximize returns, but understand the increased complexity and risks. Step 6. Hold dividend-paying cryptocurrencies like NEO, VeChain, or KuCoin shares that distribute regular payments to holders based on their holdings. Step 7. Invest in crypto index funds or yield-generating tokens that automatically rebalance and optimize returns across multiple strategies and protocols. Step 8. Diversify your passive income streams across multiple platforms and strategies to reduce risk and ensure stable returns even if one method underperforms. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.